Today we're gonna be doing some troubleshooting on a Lutron lighting panel. We're having some issues with the vanity mirror light, so we're gonna be troubleshooting some wires today. I'm going to be disconnecting the covers of the panel now. Panel number 1 is being disconnected, so I'm going to be disconnecting panel number 2. We have both panels disconnected now, and I'm going to show you all the apparatus that we're going to be troubleshooting. Over here we have one of the main breaker panel that is controlling the apartment. It's a 60 circuit panel. And this is another panel that is on the right. The first one was on the left. Now we're at a sub Lutron GRX lighting panel that is linked to the main Lutron panel that we were previously at. So we're going to be troubleshooting the wire from the main Lutron panel from there to these GRX panel. That is a GRX, and that's a lighting module. Now we're gonna be looking at our schematics for the setup of the wiring, how the system is wired. So we're gonna be looking for number 5013 5th floor dressing area vanity mirror, and it's on DH5 dim hot, so I ticked it off. And the second one that we're going to be looking for is number 502 5th floor master closet vanity mirror, and that's DH3 dimmed hot. And over here